Meaning of home.
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 Home. Home is a place that holds great significance in people's lives. It refers to a physical space where individuals or families feel a sense of belonging, safety, and comfort. Home can be viewed as a sanctuary, a space where one can retreat from the outside world and settle into a familiar and secure environment. Its meaning extends beyond just a physical structure and encompasses a feeling of emotional attachment and nostalgia. Home represents a fundamental aspect of human experience, providing a sense of stability and grounding amidst the unpredictability of life.